Does the network disconnected error appear in Forza Horizon 6 for PC? This issue can prevent you from connecting to servers, playing online, participating in multiplayer events, or syncing your progress. In this video, I will show you how to fix the network disconnected error in Forza Horizon 6 in Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server type, 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows.
First, open the link that you will find in the description of this video. Expand downloadable version. Click on Download the Gaming Services Repair Tool. Wait for the repair tool to be downloaded. Double-click the repair tool. Press Yes. Wait for the repair tool to scan your system. If the repair tool worked, type Y. Press Enter to close it.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type netwinsock reset. Press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes.
First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell window to paste it. Press Enter. Copy the second command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell window to paste it. Press Enter. Press Get. Press Yes. Wait for gaming services to be installed.
Now run your game.